students of 6th standard have created a video on the preparation of their favorite dishes. It is based on their English lesson Mango Pickle.
Hi friends, I am Ahlandria. Today I am gonna show you how to make an egg fruit ice cream. Let's get started the video and check out the recipe for it. Half cup of milk, 2 egg fruits, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, milk made half cup, whipping cream half cup. First you take ripped egg fruit, get peel off and slice it. After then put it on mixer grinder. Add milk and milk made into it. Add vanilla essence for a flavor. Just mix it well in the mixer grinder.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want.
After this fill turn into a clean cup. I have taken a clean bowl, taken whipping cream and beat into the cream form. Take the filtered meat and add to this cream and again beat it well until smooth. After this meat, put it on a container and freeze it for 8 hours. Put it on the freezer. Let's open the container. Our egg fruit ice cream is ready. You should definitely give it a try. Thank you.
My name is Munna Praveen. I am studying in 5th year in Seraphic CGHS Peringottukara. I am making a mango pickle. How can I make a mango pickle? Please see this video. Take some tender mango slices. Move it to the bowl. Take some chili powder. Take it in a bowl. Take some turmeric powder and put in the bowl. Then take some salt, add it into the mango pickle. Then take coconut oil and add into the mango pickle. Take a spoon and mix it well. Mango pickle is ready. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am going to make a Kit Kat shake. For this, we want a cup of milk, 2 Kit Kats and some ice cubes. Take a mixie jar and add some milk. And pieces of Kit Kat bar. Add to this. And add ice cubes. And add 1 teaspoon sugar. Grind it well. Grind it like this.
Pour into a glass.
The milkshake is ready.
So sweet. So sweet. Our tasty milkshake is ready.